Hi Skin Games, this is Terri Berry, and this is my week 1 video for the holistic category for the 2025-2026 Skin Games. This is my beautiful model, and her name is Virginia. Virginia, what would you like to accomplish?
Oh man, I used to have youthful skin. Age got a hold of me, and then so did 2 kids, and it just looks old.
And
I
you don't
would love
wear...
refresh. I don't wear sunscreen very often. Yeah, that caught me, but I'm starting to change. I'm trying to find a routine to do something, and there's just too much out there, and like sometimes I hurt my skin more than I help it.
I gotcha. So Virginia is showing signs of aging. She is one of those smart girls. She's an engineer. So she works a lot. She has a high stress job. So we're going to be working on stress management because that takes a toll on your skin, and a lot of people don't realize that. We're going to do some halotherapy, and we're going to do a lot of microcurrent, Gua Sha, and we're just really going to get back to the basics with her and help her with her age management and some pigmentation. So we'll see you guys next week.
Awesome.